This cutter is not a center cutting and is easier to sharpen. This cutter is center cutting with the two lips. And to sharpen it takes almost a cup wheel to come in and get to it. Not a great big radius, so you can get in here and get to that center. And this was damaged only on the ends. The fixture to grind the end mills was made about 30 years ago, and using and designed around a cup wheel to be used in my milling machine. The cup wheel was not really satisfactory because it didn't turn fast enough to do a good job. So I kind of parked it off on the side, and until I received or bought this grinder, then I can grind the ends fairly easy. The fixture is somewhat of a copy of some out there that are a commercial. It has two angles on it. One angle which sets the amount of cut from the cutting edge back, and the other angle from the outer edge into the center, which leads in about 1.5 degrees. This other angle that is tipped is 5 degrees. The holder has hoses a standard 5C collet, and it has some indent holes so that you can index and stop the cutter with the proper tooth up. Now, the wheel has already been dressed, and in there I used a diamond mounted in a block of steel and cleaned off the edge of the wheels. Now we want to come down on it. I'm using a piece of paper there. I got it. Now, okay, now we'll turn on the grinder. Now I have a choice of going in or out, or I can move the table. I think I'll move the table. I think I'll go in. Okay, now I'm going to index it. That lip tooth into that one has quite a bit worn off. Got one tooth that wants to. That's now if you get it where you can see the reflection on the teeth. It's not perfect, but it's serviceable. Can you see the reflections?
Yes.
Well, this tooth has a chip on it, and it will take too much grinding to get it out. This tooth cleaned up pretty good. This one did too, as did this one. This was just a little bit there, but this tooth has got a major chip, and it'll take quite a bit to come off of there to get to it. And the next sharpening may get it. But it's a serviceable cutter now.